What's happening, YouTube? What's up, X? What's going on, everybody? We are pumping right now. Bitcoin is crushing it right on the heels of $90,000. Good morning to everybody. We are getting set for the Crypto Breakfast Club. You guys know how we do right here every Monday through Friday. We are back in the building. This has just been a whirlwind of a last, I don't even know now, since the election, right? What has it been, like 8 days since the election? This has been incredible to see and incredible to watch, guys. So welcome in. We've got a great show lined up. We're expecting some major news at some point this week to happen in crypto. And we're going to talk a little bit about that. My guy, Dennis Porter, who I've had here on the channel, huge Bitcoin bull, very deep on Bitcoin mining. So Dennis Porter, a guy I really respect, super bright guy. Again, I've interviewed him on my YouTube channel. We follow each other here on X. He put something out yesterday afternoon. He said right here, breaking, in the next 48 hours, there will be a major Bitcoin announcement. We have been working towards this moment for 4 years. Bitcoin is winning. The world is changing rapidly. Do not blink. So I'm speculating here. I don't know for sure exactly what this could be. I mean, I'm going to be going to this space, or at least having somebody listen in. It's going to be at the same time during our Crypto Breakfast Club, which we're about to start right now here in just a second, by the way. So don't go anywhere. Smash the like button, subscribe down below on YouTube. Some major news with XRP. We'll get into that. We got a whole XRP space tomorrow. We're going to talk about XRP. Gary Gensler. He could be resigning this week, guys. It's real. I put a video out this morning on that already. But then XRP meme coins. We got to talk about that. There's just so much happening. But with this right here with Dennis Porter, I think it has something to do with making Bitcoin strategic reserves in the United States. That's what I think it has to do with. Who do we got in the chat, guys? Good morning to everybody. Brian is here. Give XT Algo a try. Hell yeah. Give XT Algo a try. That's my trading indicator, guys. It's my company I came out with last August. It is an unbelievable tool if you're very interested in making money in crypto. Definitely give that a look. All right, so we're going to get ready here to rock and roll and start the Crypto Breakfast Club here. Let's get it all fired up. What do we got? Actually, we're going to use this phone because this one usually is a little bit better service down here. But it's going to be exciting, man. We've got a lot to look forward to, guys. A lot to look forward to this week, and obviously even heading into the following weeks and beyond, because just in a great environment right now for crypto, and retail's just slowly but surely dragging themselves back into the market. You know what I mean? It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in an hour or a week or even a month, but this is slowly going to be, taking place here. All right, here we go. This is the space. Let's get it popping, guys. Appreciate everybody rocking with us too, man. This is what it's all about. Oh, Bitcoin is sending all-time highs, guys. We gotta change this. We've got to change the actual name of the space. Holy shit, Bitcoin is sending. All right, we're getting everybody up here, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
sorry, Ethereum is still up in the last 7 days more than Bitcoin. So that could be another chance to be the next Bitcoin. You know, I mean, it will never be the next Bitcoin, but to get in at, 3,200 right now too is huge. I mean, that could eventually be 15, 20K in Ethereum. So if you can even get it now, that's kind of the way I look at it. I take positions and I sub them out. Basically, I swap them and I put them back into, right now, my top 3 holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You know why? Because they're the top market cap, top liquidity, blue chip. So for me, I'm cool. I mean, I'm here for the long run. If I want to get out next year, I probably wouldn't do that. But, I want, financial wealth in the future. So, and I love crypto. Crypto is like almost becoming better than real estate to me because of the liquidity aspect of it. Like I was saying before, real estate, if you lock yourself into a huge mortgage and the world fails, you're going down with the sinking ship. You can't just liquidate that mortgage like you can do a crypto. So if you're in a tight position, you can easily sell it, hop into another place. So for me, crypto is almost a step up from real estate. Yeah, real estate gains value, but it's a market. We get, wars, you're going down with the sinking ship. I'd rather have liquidity and be able to get out fast. So my point is, I'm excited for Bitcoin. Hit 90K. How can we not be excited? Whether you like it or not, you can't deny the fact that the money's going into it.
Zach, so many great things there to break down. Appreciate everybody rocking with us. Share the room, share the space. There's 27 comments. I need there to be 2,700 comments down there. You must have something to say. Fire it up. Add something in there. I don't care what the hell it is. Throw a meme in there. Whatever the hell you want to do. But yeah, Zach, you made a good point. I mean, if you exclude stable coins, right, you take out USDT, you take out USDC, and you look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, which, by the way, Solana is now $100+ billion market cap. Fucking insane. Okay. If you just take a look at those 3, that's 85% of the damn crypto market. 85%. I was talking to a guy this weekend, high net worth individual, semi-retired, surgeon, just invested his money traditionally his whole life. He's well off. He's getting ready to ride into the sunset with his beautiful wife, and they're going to go, hit the world and travel everywhere. And he was asking me about Bitcoin. I'm like, listen, man, somebody like yourself, you're okay, you're well off. Why not make 1 to 5% of your portfolio Bitcoin? Why not? And I thought about that, and I'm like, you know how many guys are walking around right now with millions and millions in their stock portfolio that, could make a little bit of that Bitcoin, get a little exposure, right? Get some exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, maybe even that new fund that I think Coinbase is going to roll out. That news yesterday that came out, that was not just to track the top 50 or whatever. That's going to be an ETF, in my opinion. That's going to be an ETF, just like the S&P 500. You're going to be able to invest in the top 50 cryptos. It's going to be weighted heavily toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, just like the S&P is. And I just had that conversation with him, and it got me thinking, how many people haven't done that yet that will? I mean, there's just so many reasons to be fucking bullish. I mean, think about the governments that are slowly but surely coming in. Look what's happened in El Salvador since they made Bitcoin legal tender. They have been able to outperform developed countries when it comes to inflation because of fucking Bitcoin. You don't think these other governments and countries are taking notes? I mean, it's exciting, man. I think we're on the precipice. I think we named the space right, I think yesterday, or I think it was yesterday. This is the golden age. This is literally the golden age of crypto. This is it. It's the perfect storm. It's everything you could ever ask for. It's no longer the crypto bros hanging out in this weird space. I mean, sure, you have some of that when it comes to pump.fun. And I mean, that's still going to exist, and I fucking love it. I'm in there too. But when it comes to being legitimized, when it comes to being looked at as a real asset class, this is it. This is it. This is the turning point. We've got ETFs. I mean, can we talk about how wrong the analysts were with ETFs? I mean, they were so wrong. Within 2 to 3 months after ETFs came out, we blew past their expectations, blew past their yearly inflow numbers for 2024 within like 2 months. So the pent-up demand is real. It still is. Right at market open today, we fly up over 90,000. I mean, this is fucking incredible. Paid, what's going on?
Zach, you know, I'm not going to lie. When you're fired up bright and early in the morning, it gives a little exuberance to the room. And you know what? I like it. Because, you know, then all the fucking energy doesn't have to come from me, all right? And I like it. So keep it up, Zach. I like this week for you, ecstatic. From now on, you're going to Red Rocks once a week on Zach Subway's tab because you need that exuberant energy coming back. Guys, listen. Bitcoin's over 90,000. Bro. We were like, can we get to 100,000 this cycle?
Are you in tears, bro? Are you crying right now? Are you okay?
Bro, everyone's like, oh, you know, the top's going to be around 100,000 this cycle, but that's going to be good. Everyone can, bro, we're at like 91. Like, you're telling me it's over in 9K? Okay, I believe it, whatever. Bro, this shit's about to go to like 200, 250. Listen, you got to adjust with the times, and the price targets are moving. Like, and, you know, I don't, when I look at my portfolio, I don't like moving price targets around too much because that's how you get wrecked. You can get the euphoria feeling. But, guys, we are nowhere close, in my opinion, and the opinion of a lot of people, near the top, and we're at 91K. Everyone this year, last year, in crypto, I'm not talking about just regular people. I'm talking about, like, Zach Humphries type, you know, KOLs or influencers, whatever you want to call them, fucking Alex Becker, fucking Elio Trades, all these guys, they're saying, you know, 100K, 120K this cycle, good. But right now, those price targets are moving, guys. And they're moving fucking quick because 91 with fucking Trump, I don't know if you guys saw the announcement with fucking Elon, fucking Doge is an official fucking thing, arm of the government now. I don't know if you guys saw that. That's a whole different fucking conversation. Like fucking Elon fucking, listen, when I talk about 3D fucking chess, you got to give it to Elon. This motherfucker bought X. Use X to get Trump elected. Use that leverage to start his own fucking government organization. What the fuck is going on? Elon, whatever, time. I don't give a fuck. If you need me to fucking clean some dishes, I don't give a fuck. The fact that no one saw this coming when he bought Elon, or not he bought himself. How the fuck can he buy himself? When he bought X fucking, you know, a year ago, months ago, whatever the fuck it was when he bought it. No one saw this coming. Everyone's like, where the fuck is he buying? Why is he buying X? This shit's whatever. He came in with a fucking kitchen sink, and guess what? Now he's about to walk into a White House with a kitchen sink. Y'all, all the bureaucrats, all those motherfuckers in Washington right now, good luck. Good luck. Elon don't give a fuck about none of that shit. He's going to be like, what's going to make the most money for the country, which in turn is going to make the most money for me. And it's funny I'm on this rant because this had nothing to do with what I was going to say this morning, but good morning. Guys, real quick, shout out to our sponsors. Izumi, love me Izumi, right about 1 million. 47, love 47, right about 1.3. They got up to like 1.6 last night. I was raiding with those guys last night. Listen, I'm in the trenches. I don't give a fuck. I'm in the trenches. Like, we're paid XPO. He's in the trenches. He's hanging out with the crew. He's helping BCs out. You know, all this shit going on. And also shout out to Paul Chain as well, guys. Paul Chain doing great things. You know, coming multi-chain. You know, launch your project on Paul Chain if you haven't already. I'm planning on doing it. That's a little hint for the future, so put a few dollars aside for that. But, you know, guys, like, have you guys seen Peanut? Zach, we missed the ball on Peanut. I'm blaming you on that one. I'm blaming you. Fucking Peanut is at $1.7 billion. I'm blaming Zach Humphries for this one. He did not tell us to get in.
R.I.P. Peanut, though. R.I.P. Peanut, though.
Bro. This shit is fucking crazy. And you know what? Elon keeps tweeting it. And listen, I'm not betting against Elon anymore. Not that I ever did, but I am not. If Elon says something, I'm on board with it. I don't give a fuck. It doesn't matter anymore. Elon says, yo, everyone go buy black pens today. I'm buying 30,000 of them. Why? Because Elon has something going on with black pens. Maybe there's a shortage and we can resell it or something. I don't know what's going on with Elon. I'm not betting against him for shit. So guess what? To segue back to what I'm going to say, I'm going to close out with this. check out sponsors, Izumi, 47 Paul, and listen, in the case of 47, they got some consolidation going on, but listen, y'all saw what he did with Peanut, when he tweeted about Peanut. When 47 gets tweeted, I'm telling you, that chart, I don't know what date it is, it's 11/13. That chart, write this down, that chart will fucking gigasend. I'm putting it out there, not financial advice, do whatever the fuck you want. Let's get to Larry. Larry, hello.
Hey, real quick though, because you got people on your ass right now on my live streams. They're like, this dude just learned the F word, bro. He just learned how to say the F word like yesterday, and he can't stop saying it. What a dirty mouth. Bro just learned the F word.
Yeah, you know what? If you're fucking listening on the live stream, why don't you come say that shit to my face up in the space? How about
All right, Kamala. Relax. Say it to my face.
Say it to my face. Get the fucking seriously. Get it, guys. Honestly, share the room with everybody.
That was her best speech, though, bro. That was her best speech. She did actually knock that one out of the park. I thought after that, like, she would win, actually.
You know who said that also? Joe Rogan said that also when he was talking. I forgot who I was talking to the other day. He said
I probably copied that. I probably heard it there. I listened to that shit religiously. Larry, what's up, bro? Hey, Larry, I want to unpack this news from Dennis Porter, man. So if you guys are just checking in, share the room, guys. Let's get this thing popping. We got a bunch of people live with us here. Yeah, but let me just rehash it, and then I want to go right to you. It says in the next 48 hours, there will be a major Bitcoin announcement. They've been working toward this moment for 4 years. Bitcoin is winning. Dennis Porter, I've had him on the channel before. Great guy, super smart. Is this going to be a Bitcoin strategic reserve? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna.
Zach, big news. Big news.
What do we got, Mar?
So Pepe, XRP, ADA on Robinhood, man.
All back on Robinhood.
But Pepe
listed on Robinhood. Yeah. That's a big deal. Pepe's going to
pop. That's a huge deal. That's the floodgates right there.
Let me kind of
Pepe's up 46% right now, sending.
Oh wow!
Holy shit!
That's a
Missed
bomb.
The boat on that.
Time to make a play on Pepe.
Bitcoin. Sorry, Larry. Don't mean to cut you off, but Bitcoin 91.8, guys. 91.
Pepe all-time highs.
92K Bitcoin. Let's go.
Pepe all-time highs shattered, dude. Absolutely annihilated out of nowhere. All-time highs. I mean, just God candle gone.
You have Robinhood stocks?
I have a little bit, but I have more Coinbase, Mar, and I know you're heavily in Robinhood, bro. That's fucking beautiful. Is Pepe buyable right now on Robinhood? Is it like live or is it coming? Do we know?
Hang on, let me open up the app real quick. I'll show you. It's a perpetual right now. It's coming.
Cardano just pumped 7% also in the hour. Sorry, Larry. I don't mean to cut you off.
What are you asking about Pepe on Robinhood?
Right now.
Holy shit.
The bots are eating Pepe's chart alive right now. So watch out.
It is
if you do catch the FOMO.
I own some Pepe. I don't want to FOMO.
Pepe's live tradable on Robinhood. You can buy it right now. I'm looking at the app. Oh, it just changed. You should be running your bot on there, Zach.
Yeah, I mean, it's gone now. I mean, XT Algo, it probably triggered it, but the problem is I was hanging out with you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, dude, look at this. My momentum up flashed. Well, I'm an idiot because it flashed on Thursday, November 7th. That was the buy signal at 11:05, and it's at 18:40 and just freaking going nuts.
You know, I've got some pretty big news to unpack for everyone here. And
what do we got, bro?
Well, firstly, sorry for my absence. My shoulder, as you guys know, I've been going through it. And I've been just overwhelmed with work. The bull run has brought in more work than I can handle for security. So I guess it's a blessing and not a curse, but it's like working really a lot on like chain swap and pod chain, for example. We're going to start working, doing a lot more on pod chain here shortly. We're going to audit their whole chain, and all of their new utilities are on the chain. It's huge. It's thousands of lines of code. It's going to get done right this time. But so to talk about what Mr. Porter was talking about, Zach, I'm sure that's what you want some explanation on, right?
100%, man. Are we getting the Bitcoin strategic reserve?
Yeah, so, he's from the Satoshi Foundation. He's from the Pacific Northwest, too. I've had the pleasure of talking and meeting with him. It's been a long time. But the indications from all of Asia this morning didn't just invest more in Bitcoin, but turned more of their money into North American-based ETFs and stocks that are backed on Bitcoin leverage. A huge amount of momentum, maybe like 50% of the liquidity for Bitcoin was moved. And I was asking why. And here's the thing, the Bitcoin reserve is going to happen. It's going to be a reality. But before that, I think a combination of that big news is like, Bitcoin is one of the more accessible, foundational assets in DeFi, but it doesn't have, broad spectrum access yet. But that broad spectrum access is coming, Zach, along with the announcement for the Bitcoin reserve. So much like how during the war and during the last industrial revolution and prior to World War or after World War I and prior to World War II, you could buy savings bonds easily at the bank. They asked you to buy savings bonds. Think about a Bitcoin, the way to purchase Bitcoin in a very easy fashion, just like how the government promoted buying savings bonds, but for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Think about that, Zach. Think about everyone being able to buy Bitcoin in that fashion, in a fractionalized Satoshi though, but on a federally and commercially recognized note. Think about what that's going to do for DeFi as a whole when you can buy at the commercial and at the retail level like that. No red tape. Old enough to hold fiat currency and use it and have a bank account. You can be old enough to buy. I don't know what the name of it's going to be. I have even asked not to talk too much about it, but this is, I think, is going to be what the news that Mr. Porter is going to be wrapping up in the next 48 hours is that how would we fund a strategic reserve, right? Well, it's not going to be through, putting your money in a high yield savings account. It's not going to be in a fucking whole life insurance policy. That's definitely, a boner move. So, our current legislation and our current cabinet and our transition team for DeFi is really common sense based. This is really the most common sense. We've been sold, silver futures and gold futures from the government, and we've been, and those are basically been bonds that are backed on those commodities. Think about that. You can buy a savings bond or the strategic reserve bond note for Bitcoin at the commercial level. That's endorsed by Uncle Sam. That is what's coming. So if you have $100 or $200 worth of Bitcoin sitting, just keep sitting on it, no matter how high you see it going. Like Paige was talking about, the metrics on movement. People are talking about 100K, 120K Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what's going to happen. Just U.S. entry into and just the buying culture and the banking culture in the U.S. and the rest of the world. When the U.S. does that, the rest of the world is going to follow suit. BRICS has already been doing that anyways. But and that next big thing I wanted to talk about is if you have money to go to Cambodia or invest in Cambodia, the ASIP association for all of APAC is going to announce, and they're associated with BRICS too. They're petitioning to join BRICS as well. Cambodia will be the next Vietnam or Singapore in Asia as far as DeFi is concerned. Of course, India is already there, but there's a lot of politics involved with India. But lots of large announcements coming out of Cambodia for their invest in Bhutan as well as Nepal. Bhutan and Nepal have a strategic hydropower project that's being implemented right now as we speak with India. They're diverting a lot of their water for just Bitcoin mining. They're going to share that with India. I mean, it's a tremendous amount of water compared to other, sites that are plausible. They're going to enter the Bitcoin race in a huge way. So that's why India jumped to number one out of all of APAC nations in their power rankings. I did a little graph for that in my live feed. I'll drop it in the TG, but it's huge. And if you have the money to invest in there, because here's the thing: the property associated outside of real estate, etc., especially like in Cambodia, China's already like got a head start. It's going to change the face of what's happening. And then big news on XRP, Zach. You've covered some of it, but XRP has formalized an operations desk in Hong Kong finally. So Ripple has a formal operations desk in cooperation with UnionPay. So that's huge news because that has direct implementations on China. They have agreements signed with Standard Chartered and also with there's one other bank. I can't remember. And, of course, HSBC with Standard Chartered and one other. Bank of China will also be in that foray as well. So that's all huge news. I mean, hugely impactful news. That's on its way.
I got huge news for Pepe. Amber Crypto down there sent me this. I missed this, but it says Coinbase assets. Coinbase will add support for Pepe on the Ethereum network. ERC20. Do not send this asset over any other networks or your funds may be lost. Transfer for this assets are available on Coinbase and Coinbase Exchange in the range where the trading is supported. So that's huge stuff. That could be a reason Pepe is running also. I mean, that thing is shooting up.
Yeah, Gidget just emailed me. Just sent me a message that it's on Coinbase. I'm excited for Coinbase, but man, Robinhood, that's huge.
Love Pepe, and then Pepe on Chain, I think is going to launch. The end of their pre-sales, and I think 29 days left. I saw that post yesterday for.
Bro, why not launch right
30
now
days.
on that? That is just baffling to me. But
I know it's crazy. Well, I think they said they want the layer 2 done before they launch it. But I'm early investor. Just like I got early in the Pepe. I'm so fucking happy right now. You guys are jumping for joy. Even with Bitcoin, you didn't buy enough Bitcoin, so.
I didn't have. Well, you never have enough, right? Too much is never enough, right? But I do have some Pepe. I don't want to chase it now, but guys, it's in the top 20. It's ranked number 18, and it's like, I mean, with all these listings, it could be in the top 15 by the end of the day. Chainlink's holding at 8.9 billion. Pepe now at 7.6 billion. Sounds crazy, but not really. I mean, Pepe could be in the top 15. We could have 3 meme coins in the top 15 by the end of the day. It wouldn't even shock.
Oh, Zach, real quick. Speaking about Ethereum, if you have, this is not financial advice, but if you have the ability to hold a larger amount of Ethereum, I know it's tempting to trade right now based on the environment, but you should hold on because there will be a big announcement coming from Ethereum and Chainlink for their Generation 4 solution for gas, etc. There's going to be a huge announcement. They're pushing up the acceleration time on Eigenlayer and a few of the other solutions for what Vitalik's referring to as his fix for the current gas and propagation issues with Ethereum right now. So that was announced after DevCon. So I'll have more news on that soon because one of my teams is at DevCon in Thailand competing in a hackathon. So we have some more news on the development front as well. So there should be lots to unpack. And sorry, I've been missing for a couple of days. My shoulder, it's been really rough on the PT and the workload. So I just had to sleep at some point. Yeah.
That's good. They need to get those gas fees down. I mean, right now, GUI's are fucking 95. Like, you'll get wrecked.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Foaming. It was like 103 when I looked, but FOMOing into Pepe right now is probably not a good idea. I mean, what goes up does retrace, but you're going to get wrecked. If you're new to the space, you want to put $50 in Pepe, it's going to cost you $150. So it's not worth it. So anyway,
well, unless you get it on Robinhood, though, right, Zach? If you get it on Robinhood, if you get on Robinhood, you won't have that problem.
Well, you're going to get hit with the spread there, though, too. I mean, no matter what, right? But let me go down to CZ and Matt have been waiting here. Let me go to CZ and then Matt. We're gonna get everybody up here. I want to hear more from. I know Brian's up here. We got Oscar. We got a full house and some great speakers up here. We got Paw, the team from Paw up here. If you guys aren't following the Paw chain, their account, you could click on either one of those guys, 21 or Brian there. Dive into what they're doing.
Yeah, is it cool if I throw a couple? Is it cool if I throw a couple tweets up in the Jumbotron, huh?
Of course, bro.
All right, appreciate it.
Let's go to CZ, Matt. We're going to get to everybody. CZ, what's good, man? What's happening?
Hey, what's up, man? Pleasure to be here. Everyone retweet the space, drop a comment below, help the algorithm, pump some emojis. Don't be fucking lazy. Click those fucking buttons. Zach, thanks for having me. Definitely appreciate you stopping by my space earlier. Yeah, man, just came to catch a vibe. $92,000 Bitcoin, almost 92,000 United States dollars for one Bitcoin that someone dropped 10,000 on for a pizza. Not that long ago. It's actually
too soon, brother. Too soon.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, no. It's okay to talk about this. Jesus Christ, congratulations to everyone here, because I know you have something in your bags that's up. Couldn't be more excited for this coming cycle. Make sure you're positioning yourselves accordingly. Make sure you're in the trenches. Make sure you're following both the Zachs and Paid XPO. Yeah, don't fuck around. Follow the host and the co-host, and just get ready, man. Just honestly plug in. Make sure you're in the spaces. Make sure you're networking. Make sure you're making different connections. Make sure you're trying to grow, because this shit is here. We're no longer fucking pre-bull. This bull is fucking running, and I'm just excited to print with y'all. So happy to be here and looking forward to the conversation.
Yo, shout out to you, brother. Yo, everyone go follow that guy. It's easy. Go follow him right now. That's an order from the Breakfast Club. Guys, I said this yesterday. I'm just going to hash about this real quick before we get into Matt. Listen, if you've been with us since day one, back in, when the fuck did we start, Zach? May? April? I don't even know.
April. I think they ended April.
End of April. If you were with us and got into even 10% of the stuff we said, whether it's top 100, meme coins, whatever, you are up. It's literally impossible for you to not be up right now. It's impossible. If you got into any of the top 100 we said, fucking Sui, VeChain, fucking Cardano's up, bro. Cardano is up. Like, if you got into any of these places, you have to be up. And if you're not up, DM me, because I'm going to fucking yell at you in the DMs. Because there's no way. Guys, thanks for being here for, 6 months now almost. Because this is fucking what we've been talking about this whole time. And it's going even faster than we thought it would happen. Again, we've called 100K Bitcoin at the top. We're at 92. Yeah, I mean, I don't think the top's not here yet, guys. Retail is just waking up. They're getting out of the pajamas and taking a shower to wake it up. They're brushing their teeth and everything, and they're looking at the fucking, wait, Bitcoin's over 90K? I remember Bitcoin like 4 years ago. What the fuck's happening here? And now all of a sudden the floodgates are open. So guys, come to these spaces, come to other spaces. CC looks like he has a space also. Come check his shit out too. But the Crypto Breakfast Club, we've been telling you this shit for months, and it's not over yet. We're just getting fucking started. So share the room, get the comments going. Matt, let's go with you, because Matt told us about Peanut, and Zach from Subway told me not to get into it, so I blame him. Okay, Matt, what's going on?
I didn't tell you that. Before Matt, I do want to say, follow the Crypto Breakfast Club Twitter account, X account, whatever. We want to hit over 2,000 followers, and the 2,000th follower will get a nice hoodie from the Crypto Breakfast Club. We'll send it out to you, but join the Telegram. It's hot, it's crazy, all day long.
I'm on my 5th shot of espresso, and I'm ready to drink a beer. That's all I'm saying.
Jesus Christ.
Is it too early? Is it too early?
It's too early, Zach. Relax, bro. Chill.
I don't know what to do with myself right now. Matt, keep me from drinking a beer, Matt. What's up?
All right. Biggest tinfoil hat victory I've ever had in crypto just happened this morning. I called, now everybody said Peanut, right? It trended November 4th, November 5th. It was trending all over the place. TikTok, probably Facebook, Twitter. I mean, every social media account, it was trending. And I'm looking at this thing going, this is the biggest PSYOP I've ever seen in my life in the year of 2024. And for whatever reason, I firmly believe they just opened up the back door and let that little squirrel take off into the woods. So I'm looking at it going, you know what? PSYOP, this is Trump's battle cry. This is like the freedom battle cry, the anti-government battle cry. I like it. So I got into it early, faded it before 100 million, and then it didn't go anywhere, and it kept going back and forth, back and forth. I'm like, you know what? They're going to run this mother. They are going to run this thing in. For what I saw back then, I'm like 4 billion. What I see today, I'm like, damn, they're going to go over 10 billion with this one. So I look at it, I'm like, you know what? I'll get back into it. I get back into about 90 mil. I freaking took profits this morning, and dude, I couldn't be happier. And if you follow my account on Twitter, you saw what I was posting. They're going to run Peanut into the billions. It did $1 billion in like 6 hours. Okay, $1 billion increase in like 6 hours. And I thought, you know what? I can take profits. I'm good now. So I'm leaving my moon bag there. It's still going to go to probably $10 billion, not financial advice. 2 days ago, when it was at 400 million, somebody said, don't chase the green candle. And I'm like, hey, no, you're still early, dude. You're still early on this one. If you would have got into it 2 days ago, you would have 2x, 3x your money this morning. I mean, how easy is that in crypto? And that is the sign that the bull run is on. It's so on. And it's not just Peanut. And Zach yesterday talked about a little hidden gem that's been out for a while, and it kind of fizzled out. It's called Doge Elon Mars. It's not on all the big exchanges yet, but Doge Elon Mars is just sitting over $100 million market cap. They're going to, tinfoil hat talking, tinfoil hat, conspiracy. They're going to do the same thing with Doge Elon Mars. It has the best narrative for Elon Musk. He wants to go to Mars. He wants to put people on Mars, if you believe in that sort of stuff. But he's going to be a part of the government. Everything that's tied to Elon Musk is going to run crazy. Look at what Peanut did. And he's not even done. They're not even in the White House yet. They don't go in there until the beginning of January? Dude, if you're not positioned now, if you're hearing this, doesn't matter when you listen to this, as long as it's before January, if you're not positioned now, this is the time when you can literally throw a dart at a wall, and wherever it lands, wherever it sticks, not financial advice, but you can ape into it. And you can safely get at least a 10x, because the last bull run, we're still not at the all-time highs, right? So most of these coins, you got a 10x to the all-time high. Hedera, well, Crow, congratulations, Oscar Ramos. You've been the Crow master, the Crow Jedi for years. Awesome. But Crow should be living proof to anybody that this stuff ain't going nowhere. I mean, you could have got into Crow, last year at 4 cents, 5 cents? I mean, it went up to 22 cents, 23 cents yesterday. It's not going to stop. I mean, what is it? 80 cents is the all-time high on the crypto.com exchange. That's still an 8x or 7x from here. And that's a safe 7x. This is the new bull run. This is the bull run that's going to introduce legislation, regulation, adoption, mainstream media. It's going to adopt everything. A 10x from here, in my opinion, not financial advice, it ain't going to stop where that last bull run stopped. It's going to go, at least we're going to double up on everything. So if you look at something and see it's got a 10x from here as regards to its last cycle, the bull cycle, you can now safely assume it's probably going to do a 20x. Again, that's not financial advice. This is all my tinfoil hat speaking. But yes, Peanut, thank you, baby Jesus. And anybody that followed me or heard me say that, I hope you got in it. But that was just one. They're not even close to being done yet. That was just one home run. There's probably going to be about, I don't know, 50 or 100 more home runs now between now and January. All right. So I'm going to shut up. Had a lot of coffee, not espresso, but I got to get on the road and I'm going to keep listening. Kudos to everybody who stuck around in the bear run. And if you're here today and you're going to be here tomorrow, you're not going to be pre-rich for too much longer. You're about to be rich.
Let's fucking go, Matt. Love it, man. Love the energy. Let's fucking go. Let's go down to Brian. Brian, what's up, man?
What's up, Zach? Man, dude, Matt, I freaking love the energy, bro. This is the kind of energy we need right now, guys. This is what we've been waiting for 2.5 years. And I'm still seeing people question, are we in the bull? When's it going to crash? Just worried about it. Like Matt said, throw a dart, guys. Find good projects that you've been hearing about for these last 2.5 years in these spaces just like this that are building legitimate projects, legitimate meme coins with strong communities, and you are going to be so successful. I mean, the strength Bitcoin is showing right now is shocking. I expected 90K possibly by the end of the month, and we are just blowing the doors off. Retail hasn't even shown up yet. Wait till these guys come in, and you got everybody talking about Bitcoin. It's going absolutely nuclear, guys. It's good that you're here. Everybody in this room, if you have positions, hold those positions. Find these new projects that people are talking about and looking for, because the growth is going to be staggering. This thing is just getting started. Wait till people start rotating profits out of Bitcoin, because it's going to happen. We're talking billions upon billions of dollars that are going to flow into things like Ethereum, all these other top alts, and then all these other utility projects that are here building, solving problems. It's going to be an absolute windfall. Megan, super cycle for the memes, that is going to happen. That is just getting started now. Man, I am so fired up. I've been waiting for this for so long. It's finally here. And guys, I don't even think euphoria has really kicked in yet. It's not quite here yet. When that euphoria kicks in, everybody thinks things are going to run forever. You're going to start hearing talk about 1 million Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, 1,000 plus Solana. All these things are going to start happening. And then euphoria is here. If your bags are packed, you're good to go, man. I am so excited. I'm happy for everybody in the space putting in that grind every single day. And we're about to be rewarded for being early. You guys this is still so early. 5% of the world is in crypto right now. Imagine when that number creeps up to 10%, 12%, 3 trillion, just over 3 trillion in the market. What it's going to look like when it hits 10 to 12 trillion, which is definitely possible this cycle. Man, we are just getting started, and I am so here for it.
Let's go, man. We've got a ton of people with us live right now. Why not, right? I mean, slowly but surely. I know Oscar and I
with the Paul Chang gang.
Hey, can you hear me? I was talking, bro. Can you hear me?
Hey, can you hear Zach?
No way. I don't think you can. Okay.
That's fine.
I was gonna say, bro, I'm about to boot his ass. No, but let's. I lost my train of thought now. Oh, I know what I was saying. Oscar and I are both on YouTube. Slowly but surely, because we have a good pulse on retail because of YouTube. What I found out is this, guys. People who never leave, they're here on X, right? Like the real degens, they're right here. But the people who are just coming in, they go to YouTube first, and it gets us a good pulse on where we are. It's slowly happening, barely. Like views are ticking up a little bit, but it's nowhere near. And our ad revenue is another good source to kind of look at. It hasn't really bumped up yet. Wait until the commercials start flying and your best friend's dog groomer's asking you how the hell to download Coinbase. We're not fucking there yet. We ain't fucking there yet. Mar, what's up?
Hey, Zach. Yeah, man. Great news today. Excited, man. Last night, actually, I was in a space with Oscar. Pretty cool space. We're talking about Bitcoin and just everybody excited, man. Like over 3,000 listeners in there, and you're 100%. And Brian said it, man. It's okay for it pisses me off with the Bitcoin dominance, but the bigger the dominance, the bigger the season is going to be, because a lot of that money is going to be, going to off season. Right now, we're in a bull market for the blue chips, but we're into these smaller projects are grabbing, some of that liquidity. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. I just had one of the guys here big in the space write to me like, you were right, but just by minutes. Like a year ago, I told them Pepe will be listed first on Robinhood. Watch, and yeah, look at that. Just by a few minutes, maybe a few hours, Pepe was listed in Robinhood first. And this is exciting, man. This right here shows you that the regulation. So the government is going to back off. It's just great news, man. It's just exciting times, and like Brian said, man, we are so early, man. We are so early. There's, when people are buying Bitcoin at 90K, I mean, these guys know they're early, and these are not just retail getting in with the FOMO, and the crazy thing is that even though the blue chips, like even, Ethereum, they haven't even pumped yet, man. They haven't even pumped that. Like what I said a year ago, maybe a few months ago, almost a year ago, like, Crow, it's so undervalued. This pump right now from Crow or from ADA, it's just a fucking, a correction. A correction from the stupidity of people not investing on it months ago. But the real pump is yet to come, man. And IVAX, my God, it's going to be huge, man. It's going to be great. I hope that it doesn't happen that fast. I hope Bitcoin stays pumping, and then we go through trading sideways a little bit, and then all of a sudden, boom, we get the alt season, And and there's also going to be great projects out there that are going to be launched during this time. And if you don't know what, if you never experienced an alt season, towards the end of last year, beginning of this year, we had a mini one. We had a mini run, You can see IVAX hitting like $56. That's nothing, man. This shit's going to hit, not financial advice, but I would be disappointed if IVAX doesn't hit at least $200, But yeah, man, great. And I had some other news, but I completely forgot with the Robinhood, and I just bought some Pepe at Robinhood. I put $20 just for good luck, man. Just to join. Sometimes you just gotta join the excitement. It's $20. Fuck it, I'm gonna contribute to the excitement to bring me good luck. Just like I've always said, buy at least $10 of Bitcoin. Hold Bitcoin in there just for luck. You deserve to hold Bitcoin. But yeah, man, other than that, great space. And we got Kova. Kova actually got into Peanut. He sold some of it, I think, but I did not get into Peanut. I actually faded it, even though I received the Peanut story from Mario Nafal when Peanut was like around $5 million market cap, and I did not know there was a token, but I did not catch it. I did not, like, I should have gone in there and searched for Peanut, but again, it's scary because you go into that screen or anything, you start fucking seeing like 20 different Peanut tokens. So that's what makes it even more difficult to get into the right play. But yeah, man, I'm excited, and I'm super bullish this whole week, and especially with what you just said, Zach. There's some big news coming for Bitcoin in a few days.
Is it too late to buy more Robinhood stock, bro?
Man, I never tell anyone to buy. I'm not going to tell you to buy stocks, and I'm an idiot when it comes to stocks. I bought Robinhood with my gut feeling, that this shit's too undervalued. It's down. It's wrecked from like, I think it was $70. But I bought Robinhood because I'm like, you know what? I said at the end, investors, we're bitches. We got short-term memory. We forget about the bad days, and then we FOMO into the same shit and even double down even more. Look, man, if we didn't have short-term memory, Bitcoin would have been dead like 3-4 times already. Look at Bitcoin, 70K down to 14K or 16K. So we have short-term memory, and I think people forget about all that shit with Robinhood and GameStop and all that shit. But yeah, man, I just I've always loved the platform. It's for a 5-year-old. It's for a 5-year-old. Even though I hate exchanges, it's for a 5-year-old.
No, they knocked it out of the park. How gamified it is and how easy it is to use and all of that. Hey, I'm hearing some news. Speaking on Pepe real quick, guys. It's already live on Robinhood. I actually bought some. Same reason for you as you did, Mar. I just want to be part of the party over there. So just to make sure it went through, it did. And then I'm hearing Pepe is going to be listed on Coinbase at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. So about an hour from now, Pepe could go live on Coinbase. So we'll see what happens with that. But I want to get over to Oscar. I know a bunch of people haven't spoke yet, man. This space is already flying. We're almost an hour in. Epic. Appreciate everybody rocking with us. If you haven't shared the room, let's freaking go. We need to get at least 200 people in here. At least, minimum. Drop a comment, share it, drop it in some TGs. Let's freaking go, man. Crypto Breakfast Club. Fire it up. Oscar, what's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, fam? What's going on, brother? I need to sleep, bro. I mean, I'm not good. I really not, or like staying up for a long time, but I'm pushing myself. Obviously, I think everybody here is, losing your mindset of just looking at the price of everything, right? It's not that we didn't believe it, right? It's not that we didn't see it. It's just how it's happening. Usually, that's the way it is. I want us to kind of like go back to 2020 when Shiba Inu was listed on Robinhood, on Coinbase. It was just a complete ripple effect on many different exchanges, and the price went through the roof because of that. The crazy thing right now, in my opinion, is that it's barely November, bro. When I've been saying for a while, which I mean, it's totally fine. The market will always win. Like I was under with the expectation that what we're seeing was for next year, 2025, which it could be one we're absolutely sending through well over 150,000 early 2025, or we might have more consolidation ahead. Who knows, right? But it's really nice to see exchanges. And like I was thinking myself, because I saw XRP earlier today on Robinhood, and I bought and I'm up. And right now I'm on trading right now Shiba Inu. One thing that I love is personally, NFA, I buy what people are not talking about, what people are ignoring. I like that people are buying Pepe. Go for it. I buy what it's on the sidelines, and I'm gonna trade. And I was at some point $10,000 up on this position on Shiba Inu in like 2-3 minutes. That's how fast it exploded. I'm holding and I'm waiting, because I think I did it right, but I'm still looking at it really, really carefully. Point is, Robinhood, Coinbase, Ripple, and Crypto.com, and many other ones, they know Gary Gensler is about to leave. Not like tomorrow, right? But he might even resign earlier than when Trump wins, or like when Trump comes in. This is giving a lot of confidence to the entire market. This is giving what people want to see to the entire market. And we can totally see it. Why Robinhood or Coinbase didn't list before? They had all the tools, they had all the servers, they had all the equipment and the power. It's just right now they are looking at other different numbers, in my opinion. Like you mentioned, Zach. Right now, we see as retail comes and watches our videos, and it's looking really sexy. It's looking really well. 20,000 views almost every video. That's incredible. There's a lot of ad revenue coming in, and people want answers. But who has all the info? Well, of course, the custodians, the exchanges. They know the volume. Marshall, like he's actually posting every now and then all the updated volume on Crypto.com, and it's in the $14.5 billion. That's the latest. Like if you build as an exchange during the bear market, right now is your early Christmas. They're gonna be making so much money, and guess what's gonna happen with that capital? Reinvest in us. They're going to be putting money back to us, to the new 100, 200, 300 plus million new investors coming in. If you are amazed at what's going on right now, like many of you guys, it's hard to be a bear today. It's hard. It's hard to be a bear today. So, guys, crazy stuff. I actually have to work. I still have my 9 to 5. I just wanted to say a few words, and thank you so much, guys. I'll be here for a while, but man, what a crazy one. Thank you, Zach, and thank you, Breakfast Club, Zach, and Paid, and everybody. Yesterday, I was at a 2,000 plus, space, and it was also beautiful. So, man, it's happening.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Appreciate it, bro. Can't wait to see you again. I know we're going to link up here in December, man. Can't wait to hang out and talk about, all the altcoins that we're up significantly on. Maybe have a steak, share a glass of wine. Looking forward to that, bro. But yeah, somebody just bought 126K of Pepe at the 18.8 level, basically all-time high. Somebody just bought 125K. So kudos to that guy. Kudos to that guy. But speaking on Gary Gensler real quick, I want to hit on that because I made a video on XRP this morning. Found it interesting, guys. So in 2016, right around this time frame in mid-November, the SEC chairman at that time stepped aside. Same thing happened with Jay Clayton in 2020. He stepped aside right around this time. Don't be surprised if Gary Gensler resigns. I'm calling it. It could be this week. It could be this week or into next week. Because that's how they do it, right? Resign rather than get fired. What that could do, for the market too. Just another freaking catalyst, I think, just looming there. And you better believe there's going to be meme coins probably launching too, right? If there aren't already. But 21, what's going on, bro?
Man, absolutely great space this morning. Pardon me. Absolutely great space this morning, man. And always a pleasure to be up here with y'all. And I just had to dip out. I got some voice calls I got to catch up on from yesterday. And I know we got Brian here. We are well represented and all that. But I just didn't want to dip out without saying bye and saying thank you as always. And love the panel, Larry, Mar. Welcome to see y'all all the time. Paid, Zach, somebody, Zach Humphries, both Zachs. Yeah, man, it's a great space and always a pleasure to be here. And just want to say thank you kindly and just keep up the great work, man.
Hell yeah, appreciate you, man. And guys, if you haven't checked out one of our sponsors, Paw Chain, you can find it right in 21's profile. Give them a follow, hop into their TG, see what they got cooking, man. This is definitely some big moves they're making on the tech side of things in the blockchain world. So show them some love. I know we got Brian. We'll probably get into it here. We still got an hour left in the space, so we'll definitely get into it at some point. I want to go over to let's see here. Who hasn't had a chance to jump up here? Your Corp's been waiting. Your Corp, what's going on, bro? I know he's probably on the job right now listening in. Your Corp, can you jump in? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
All right. I just want to make sure, I wasn't just speaking, into a bit. Hey, Pablo, what's up, bro? What do you got, man?
I'm cool. Nothing. I got nothing, bro. I'm just vibing with you.
You got to have something, bro. Bitcoin's at 91,000. You ain't got nothing?
Actually, I'm not holding any Bitcoin. I do trade on only memes. I'm holding 47 on Sol and Pepe 2.0 and all the rest. I just snipe, I take my 10K profit and I'm out.
There you go. All right, let me go down to go ahead, Paige. What do you got?
I don't hold any Bitcoin, and I don't think if for anyone I don't think someone buying Bitcoin at 90K. All right.
What's going on here?
I should keep talking.
I don't know. What do you have to say?
True. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, man. Can you hear me?
Buy Bitcoin. Next person.
Yo, what the fuck? All right, you guys.
I'm gonna drop him down.
Flow of the show.
Yeah, man. It's all good. It's all good. But yeah, we want to keep it rolling, man. We want to keep it rolling with people who got things to say. Your Corp, what's up, bro?
What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Good morning to everybody. I'm pretty sure everybody's doing great because, again, yesterday we had a little small retrace and we woke up this morning with good money going up. Everything's going up. So I just wanted to say good morning to everybody. Wanted to say that don't sleep on those coins right now. Like Pepe, look how we did. I'm not sure if you guys knew about Pepe 2.0. That's a coin that I had a really long time invested on, and it made me some money here and then. And right now it's exploding back again. So if you guys haven't checked that Pepe, it's also a good Pepe to invest on. Of course, not now, because you don't want to be chasing those green candle. And I'm not a financial advisor, guys. It's just my opinion, just to let you guys know. But yeah, it's something pretty good, easy money to make with that coin. Also, something that I wanted to ask Zach from Subway, that is the one that usually run contracts. Zach Humphrey, I asked you a long time ago, I asked you about this coin called Ducker. And yeah, you saw it. The volume is not as good, but I just want you guys to look at it again and give me you guys more opinion internet for the following. That coin, since it's been up since like 2021, 2022. So I've been investing little amounts, $100 and making it to $5,000 up to $2,000. It have made me over $5,000 since that time to today. I already just recently took my moon bag that I had on, that it was like $400 that I had just recently, and took it out. It was down for 6 months, and every time it's down, it doesn't have no liquidity. It looks like it's gonna be rugged, but it been already like 2 years, 3 years, and that thing have not rugged never. And then somebody, I don't know who it is, but there has to be a big investor there or something that here and then decides to invest, and that booms 200-300%. And that's when I have made my money. And this have happened like a good 4 or 5 times. No, probably a little bit more. But I have taken advantage of at least 4 or 5 times. Is it okay if I send you guys the contract, check on it real good? Because I feel that if this coin was going to really be a rug or something bad, then they would have rugged it in those moments back then when it boomed many times 200-300% from one night to another. And I'm talking about it goes up right now 100%, then goes down 50, 80, and then it goes up 200%, and then goes down. Somebody is manipulating it, and you just gotta be manipulating it with them. Like I have done it. I guess that's the only way I can see it. That's the only way I can see it. So if it's okay, I'll send you guys a message with the contract numbers. You guys can look at it. Just let me know if that is cool or not.
Yeah, bro. I'm sure you can drop it in in our TG. Drop it in our TG, and I'm sure Zach will take a look at it at some point after the show.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
Okay, I'll do that for you. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Have a great day, guys, and keep on making money.
Let's go, bro.
Oh, and thank you again for you guys doing everything that you guys do. I cannot I cannot appreciate you guys. Sorry, I cannot appreciate you guys. Never. I always will. I always will. Thank you again.
Hell yeah.
Yo, we got a postman in the house. I haven't seen Postman on the stage in almost a week. Postman, I'm giving it to Postman. Postman, what's going on, bro?
I got fucking goosebumps. I'm looking at my wallet going, are you fucking kidding me? We are on fire. I told you the other day, Pate, I see Bitcoin going to 100,000 by the 22nd of this month. I'm still going to stick with that. I think I'm going to be able to afford to buy a whole cow, Zach, not a half a cow, a whole fucking cow.
And I think in the freezer to put it in.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, Zach Humphries, I've been following you since 21. And, you know, the other guys, I've been following you as we've been going and stuff. And thank you so much. All of your inspiration and everything else. I'm choking up.
Wait, no crown, brother. Goddamn.
No, this works. The way it works, the way we're seeing it works. I could actually fucking retire. You know, this is because of Zach and listening to him and doing the right things and learning and shit like that. This is fucking awesome. You know, this is like, holy shit. This could actually work. I mean, this is life changing. You know, and for people that, you know, always literally say, crypto's a scam and crypto's this. I'm going to fucking, for once in my life, be able to say, you know what? I did something right completely. And this is my proof of it. And it's, again, it's Zach Humphries. You know, I mean, I don't want to keep blowing you up and stuff like that, Zach, but damn, dude, you kept giving me inspiration. You kept helping me out and everybody else out and all that other stuff. You are the reason that people are in crypto. You are the reason that people are succeeding in crypto because of everything you do and how serious you are about it and uplifting and, you know, helping out. I mean, that token that you gave me the other day, shit, you know, I made a little money on it already and stuff. It's like, hey, this is fucking working because I'm following the rules, taking the profit, doing what I got to do. And dude, seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I can't wait to meet you in person so that I can give you a big ass fucking hug. But seriously, dude, thank you. This is awesome. I mean, this, like I said, I ain't kidding. I've been pacing since I seen Bitcoin going up again, going, fuck, they gave me the day off at the wrong fucking time. I would just be listening, delivering mail, and my mind wouldn't be thinking on this shit. But dude, seriously, this is great. I see Pepe going up to 100 billion market cap. I see Shiba doing it. I see everything doing it. I honestly do believe that Bitcoin by March of next year is 150 or more. You know, and with that being said, I think Ethereum will go up to at least 15K. And that's just going to set us all in the fucking position, you know, pre-rich. Now we're going to be rich. Matt's 1,000% right. And thank you for your time. Thank you for everything you guys have all done. Seriously, bottom of my heart. Love you guys.
Let's fucking go. You almost got me choked up. Almost. But, you know, I'm working on my cow, so I can't have no tears in my eyes or I'll be seeing stars and shit. But, yo, shout out to fucking Postman, guys. Always here every day, working while listening, while commenting, while speaking, and then, you know, DMing me at 5 a.m. to DJing with me a little bit. Shout out to fucking Postman. Everyone give him a follow. He's the Postman. He's the guy delivering the fucking mail. Let's go.
Let's fucking go. Postman, I love it, man. And that's on you, man. That's on you for putting in the work. I know I've said this before, you know, on Spaces, man. You're all inspiring considering, you know, you're an older guy who, you know, you're not supposed to be in crypto. You know, these are the people that are supposed to miss the boat and not pay attention to it. So this is about you, man, and you putting in the time and energy and focus to it every single day. So you deserve it, man. And that's love, dude. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Let's go down to Max. Max, what's up, man?
What's up, guys? I just observing the market and everything else. And Postman, I got to comment on that quick, man. That was so fucking beautiful, dude. Man, you guys want alpha? You guys want the moves? You guys want, you know, to learn stuff about crypto? This is the place to be right here, the Breakfast Club. That is a true testament right there. That is a true testament. But as far as the market goes, you guys, I mean, hit new all-time highs. Yesterday we spotted a little bit of a heavy bullish divergence on 4-hour stochastic versus the time frame. The price action. So the last time that happened, we were just about to break 70,000 for the all-time high. So a little anomaly is seem to be playing out again here just fine. I do see some targets of possibly 95,346 to potentially 98,730 in the near short term kind of price action here. I'm so freaking bullish on the market, man. I like 130,000, 250,000, all those numbers, 330,000, 530,000. Like none of those are out of range for me. This bull market, I think, with you know, just the developments of, I mean, like I'm hearing talk of if the state buys into Bitcoin and starts stockpiling Bitcoin, all these other countries are going to start flocking into Bitcoin as well, right? So then, oh my God, can you imagine what that would do, you guys? It would be, this could be the bull run like we have never, ever seen before. Not financial advice, but this could be something. I mean, we got mainstream adoption, we got ETFs, and then we're going to get the, you know, just the regular people back into the markets here soon enough as well. You know, they'll come flocking in as soon as they start hearing about Bitcoin over 100,000. It's probably a mark where people are going to be like, oh, okay, like, let's get in, right? What more do you want to miss out? So, you guys, we are in the right place at the right time. 100%. Crypto is the place to be. Do your research, find your conviction plays, find your communities, and frickin' let's go. Like, man, I am just unreal, you guys. Let's go.
Let's freaking go. Max, appreciate you, bro. I want to hear from Michael. I'll be right back, guys. I want to go up and I got to go up and grab something real quick upstairs, but I want to hear from Michael, and I see some other people who haven't spoke yet. Bitcoin, 92,200. 92,200.
Let's go, baby.
92K. Jesus. It is going parabolic, guys. This is just fucking incredible. Michael, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up? What's up, man? Give me a second here. Yeah. So first of all, I want to say congratulations to everybody up in this motherfucker. Excuse my language. I hang around paid. You know what I mean? Getting to the bag. You know what I'm saying? Getting to the damn bag, right? Second of all, you know, what Mr. Postman said, I know it's not, I'm going to comment off that. It's not what, I know he's very smart, but I want to do a little bit of after what he said. First of all, I'm building in this space, not a coin, but because of the opportunity. I'm hoping you guys see the opportunity in the trade and what's going on, not even just right now, but in the future. And then at the same time, when you guys are having these opportunities, it's not financial advice, but figure out where you're going to go ahead and put your money. You need to test the waters, how you're going to go ahead and sell. You know what I mean? On these different platforms, because when the stuff hits the fan, some of these platforms are going to give you an overwhelming volume of transaction, you know, notification where you can't go ahead and sell, trade, or transfer and stuff like that. Don't leave all your eggs in one basket, and make sure you guys are taking profits. I hear you, Postman, and I'm so proud of you and everybody in this room, and I get goosebumps, and this is what it's about. And that's why I know Zach does what he does, and this is what I do too. And this is a movement. We're getting to the bags and we're changing people's lives. But at the same time, what I've dealt with throughout the last 3, 4, 5 years, me being in crypto and stuff like that, is the people that didn't do right with the money or the opportunities. Okay. And that's why a majority of them are back right here chasing the bag again, or trying to figure out this time around. So this time around, not financial advice, but you're going to learn from different people's mistakes. And you guys are going to figure it out before the shit hits the fan even worse. Figure out what you're going to do with your money. Be smart with the money, because at the end of the day, sometimes people get money and they nothing bad about people, but maybe it's the wrong structuring where schools or different people didn't show you the opportunity of investment, how to take care of your taxes and go about the right way. If you talk to a financial advisor or a tax person, make sure you talk to more 1 or 2 or 3, because somebody might just steer you the wrong. I mean, I'm schooling these motherfuckers and shit, and they got the damn license. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, get to the bag. You know, I love you, Zach. Love everybody in the room and stuff like that. I see you, Paid. I see you, Mar, and stuff. But, you know, one thing I want to say about Pepe, and then Elon, before I shut up, okay? First of all, yeah, Bitcoin's going to go hit 100K. You're going to see 120. We'll see 150 easy. And I heard, I think somebody was saying Shiba 100 billion market cap, those 100 billion market cap. Yeah, we're going to see these things, right? But the thing is this, when you're over here getting to the bag, you guys are right about that squirrel. I told you guys about the damn squirrel and stuff like that. I said that thing's going to run. Somebody's going to put something on that squirrel, that thing's going to run. Well, anytime Elon says something about Doge, I'm doing trades on that, because I already know that's going to pump. So if you guys already understand what's going on with Pepe, and maybe little baby Pepes or 2.0 or Max Fine or different stuff like that are connected or somehow surrounded or doing whatever they're doing in that little ecosystem, like how the Shiba ecosystem, the Doge ecosystem, those are plays where you could probably put your money and make some good money too. Look at baby Doge. Okay. Look at Elon Mars, right? So these are different, not financial advice, but these are different situations where you're going to be able to eat even more. So get to the bags. These are great opportunities. You know, hear what's going on. But one thing I want to stress out right now as we speak, we're all early, but look at the opportunities, please. That's why I push it. I know Zach pushes it and stuff like that. These are the opportunities where you guys can build in this space. It's not about just a coin, okay? Not just coin. Look what Pump Fund just did, and look how much money they brought into this situation. Look at all these exchanges and the different things. Yeah, there's good things, but look at all the bad things that are happening. right? Maybe look at the opportunities where maybe people need to put the Bitcoin in more DeFi instead of putting it in centralized, right? Whatever the situation may be, at the end of the day, all the businesses are not even connected right now and showing people where they can go ahead and buy crypto, how they can accept crypto and stuff like that for payment. So that's why I'm pushing what I'm pushing, and I'm connecting people live big time. And at the same time, we're aping in these plays hard as hell. We're making money daily right now on these opportunities as we speak, and we're putting a lot of money on a lot of these different plays on a big market cap because of the volume, a low market cap too, and stuff like that. Some of them are funky Medina. Watch the bots. Watch the bots, don't get eaten up. And if you fall out of your camera and you put high slippage, don't trip, pick yourself back up, and it's going to be okay. Get to the bag. Love every single one of you and have a wonderful day. This is Mike with Crypto. Always a wolf up on mine.
Yo, real quick, everyone shout out to Mike with Crypto. Make sure you check out his space in the evenings, afternoons, whatever time the shit is. Mike, we love you. And then Mar, you heard him. If you slip out of your Camry again, that'll be your third time that we know about. So make sure you just, get up, dust yourself off, get some Aleve or Tylenol, and get back to trading and doing all that other stuff. Because, you know what's going to happen? Hold on, Mark. You know what's going to happen? One day he's going to wake up. He's going to wake up and cash is going to be like $10. And he's not even going to realize it happened overnight. He's going to get in his Camry and he's going to roll down the hill.
I've never told you guys the reason I fell off my Camry, because I just didn't want to break your heart. Zach Humphries knows it, and he told me, man, don't say, bro, those 10 Bitcoins are heavy in my pockets, man. I'm always falling because my pockets are heavy, bro.
Must be the high slippage you pay.
Yeah, those 10 Bitcoins in his pockets, that's his slippage fee that he has to keep carrying around just in case he fucking has to get back in whatever project he was trying to get it at the time. But we got fucking Big J back on the mic. We got fucking Rentaro. We got fucking people trying to request. We got the Crypto Breakfast Club in the request. So we do got to rotate the stage. So if you can drop down, if you got nothing else to say right now, we got to bring you back up. But if you can drop down, that would be great. We got to bring up some people. I got to get Shelby up here on the account. Appreciate whoever just dropped down. Don't know who it was. But Rentaro, honestly, let's go to Big J. We'll go to Rentaro. Your corp has his hand up. We'll go in that order. Big J, what's going on, dude?
Shout out to the post, man. He almost made me drop a fucking tear over here listening to that story. I mean, shout out to that fucking guy. He's going to be next couple months. Can you guys fucking hear me or no?
Yeah, we heard you, and you stopped talking in the middle of it.
Good morning, everyone. I've been pacing back and forth. This fucking space just keeps kicking me out, kicking me off, kicking me out, kicking me off. We're here to form a fucking cult. Give me a follow. Join the TG. It's at a 12K fucking market cap. That's all I'm going to say. Big J has no quit. If you kill me, I will fucking dig myself up out of the grave and still send it to 100 million. Follow me. Join the cult. Let's do something nobody's ever done before. Let's stick together as a fucking cult and make millions. Let's go.
All right, well, follow Big J. Make sure you join whatever cult he has. Just don't drink the Kool-Aid, please. I don't want to have any responsibility with people drinking Kool-Aid and things happening of that nature. Let's get to your card real quick, and then Rentaro. Your card, what's going on? You got your hand up. I want to give it to you real quick.
No, I just want to tell you guys just something that I realized right now. Not realized, but I've seen it, and now it just hit me even more. I don't know if you guys, I'm pretty sure y'all remember, whoever been here since day one on the Crypto Breakfast Club, how simple, I'm not saying now it's complicated, but how simple it was, just us talking, making jokes sometimes here and then, talking about the market, and look at it now, how much it have grown. I'm glad that I'm part of it. I'm just super happy. I'm looking at it, how many smart people are coming in here, so many good people that bring great alpha all the time. The sponsor now, I remember before it was like the Wednesday, so was it like the Wednesday thing that we used to do every Wednesday? Now we got sponsors.
Wednesdays, baby.
Yeah. So it's beautiful, man. I'm just cannot stay quiet because I'm so proud of what you guys have done. Zach, and Paid, also the main ones, of course, but also Mar. everybody here, everybody that been here every day, just coming in just to listen. Whoever doesn't talk either, doesn't matter. And YouTube now, Zach, that was a great idea that you involved now YouTube into this, so like that more people can reach on it. So props on you on that, because again, now it's even more people that every day comes and listen to. So bro, I'm just so proud of you, bro, and all three of you, and Mark too, and Michael, everybody that is here every day. So again, congratulations on your success that is going on, and I see the Crypto Breakfast Club going to miles and miles and miles nonstop to the success, bro. So wish you the best again and again and again.
Yo, thanks for the kind words, guys. I appreciate your court. Also, Postman, you got a brother almost choking up. I ain't choking up because I got to be able to see while I'm trading. You feel me? That being said, don't forget, guys, the bull run, near the middle towards the end of the bull run, whenever that is, we're going to have our Miami yacht party, our boat party, whatever Mark can fucking settle for us. Mark, figure out the boat situation. Figure out the water. That's what I'm going to say. That's the quote from now on. Figure out the water, okay? You figure out the water. We'll figure out everything.
You know
else.
what? I'm going to be the bad guy in the fucking room.
Oh,
Crypto Postman, man, I feel you 100%. But if you having a little bit of tears just because you're trying to sneak into that big ass, fuck, because I heard there's gonna be a big giveaway, man. I heard there's gonna be a big giveaway. Yeah, too, man. I'm gonna cry too, man. I'm gonna cry too. Thank you, Zach. I want that giveaway, and I want it to be fair.
It is going to be fair.
The reason I'm number two is because Postman is number one, and I'm tired of the bullshit.
Mar, you caught me. You figured out how I'm trying to win. You got it.
Damn.
Here's my way of doing it.
The Crypto Postman, he had me going for a minute. Shit. Mar, no, seriously, figure out the water, because guys, Crypto Breakfast Club, we will be having some type of party in Miami. We already said that. We've been saying this for months, but now that the market's really starting to pump and we can really see, how far this shit can go, it's more realistic every day. So, keep it. If you're here every day, you're more likely getting an invitation. And if you're not here every day, you're more likely getting a ticket link. that's how this is about to work.
Hey, real quick, Mar, make sure you get yourself a life jacket, a big floaty one, so that you don't fall in off the boat. Because if you fall out of the boat, you're going to be in deep shit.
Yo, Mar, he kind of has a point though, for real. Your history of falling, I would suggest you get don't even get a life jacket. Get the little floaties the kids wear. They go around your arm, and then you can just waddle in the water for a little bit. We gotta get the Rentaro, but I see Shelby's up here on the account, Crypto Breakfast Club. What's going on, Shelby? How are you feeling?
Hey guys, good morning. With Crypto Postman's wonderful words, it kind of made me want to jot down a couple of things, and without community we wouldn't have anything. So I'm excited to be here with all of you as we dive into the rest of this week. We're on hump day, and it's been really exciting so far. We're ready to take on markets, make sense of charts, and most importantly, come together as a community. The boys can't do it without you guys, and every bull run will remind why we're here. The presence and vision and the commitment and innovation that drives each of us to show up every day in this space. This isn't about financial gains. It's about staying in the forefront of a revolution that's reshaping the world, really. And to our host and co-host, Zach Pate and Zach from Subway, your voices are guiding us through ups and downs and sideways moves. Your knowledge, presence, and passion bring this community together and make this space for real growth and connection. And to everyone here who tunes in and listens and shares their thoughts, you're the heartbeat of this club. Together, we're really creating something bigger than ourselves. This week we have Azumi and 47 as sponsors, and I want to extend gratitude to them as well, and to all our past sponsors and soon to be sponsors. By supporting us, you're backing our vision, or the boys' vision, that takes beliefs and trust. So the presence and highlight of power and community-driven projects that we're excited to see what happens this week and later in the month, whatever has in store. So as the bull run, I feel like hopefully has come. Let's stay smart, grounded, and above all, support one another to make our way forward. It's not just about the destination, but it's also about the journey and the people and the changes we make together. So, thanks for supporting the boys every day, but also without the community, they would have nothing. So thank you.
Damn, Shakespeare. I didn't know you had it in you, Shelby. Goddamn, that's pretty good. You wrote that just now?
Yeah, I'm a teacher. I can do things.
Oh, shit. Okay. Damn, you know. Nah, for real, though. Thanks for everybody, because, dude, we've been doing this shit for a while now. I mean, it's not even that long. In the grand scheme of life, it's a blink of an eye, right? 6 months. But we've been doing this pretty much every day, Monday through Friday. You know, Mar does cry on the weekends because we don't do Saturday, Sunday, except if it's an emergency space. But, you know, without you guys fucking coming in here, giving us, you know, alpha plays, whatever the fuck, giving us, you know, some feedback and shit, we wouldn't have anything. So appreciate you all. I see Mar's hands up. I got to get to Rentaro. I've been saying that for a little bit. I got to get to Doris also, and then we'll get to Mar. I know Mar, just hold that thought, buddy. Hold that thought. Rentaro, what's going on, dude? You're a little dog. What's happening?
GM, guys, what's going on?
I'm chilling. Yeah, we're chilling. What's going on? How you doing?
Yeah, good, man. I'm just really loving this conversation about, you know, the markets and Bitcoin and, you know, we're a meme coin. So obviously I pay attention to, you know, Bitcoin, but more in a general sort of sense. And so it's just great to, you know, get this insight. And
well, Rentaro, real quick, guys, hold on. Sorry, breaking news. Bitcoin almost at 93,000 as we speak. It is about to hit all-time high. I mean, it's already at all-time highs. Like, it keeps breaking all-time highs, I guess you could say. But right now, about to hit 93. Slight little pullback. I mean, could you even call this a pullback if it goes down $100? But 90 is 92.8. It's dancing around right now, guys. It almost just hit. Oh my god. Oh, Rentaro, my bad. Go ahead.
no, man, it's exciting times. I get it. And that's part of it. You know, it's been pumping so hard. It's like, is it going to keep going and just keep breaking through these ceilings, or is it going to have that correction? So no, just learning a lot. And you know, I love this space. I listen in a lot, and I've been on a lot of spaces, but haven't been up on this one. So I thought I would just jump up and share a little bit about our project, if that's all right.
We normally leave that for sponsorship, so definitely DM us. If you give me one sentence, I'll allow it. One good sentence. One. Elevator pitch me real quick. Give me a taste. Give me the sampling at the Chinese food court takeaway, but don't give me the whole meal because I don't know if I want lo mein or rice. All right? Let's figure that out.
No, I got you. That's fair. I got like 2 sentences. How's that?
No. One. A hard stop on the one.
I'll just take out the full stops in it and I'll combine it into one.
There you go. Yeah, make it a run-on sentence. I'll give it to you. That's it. But yo, DM me, Zach and Zach, for sponsorships because trust me, it does work. We have seen it work. We have seen it in charts. We've seen it in Telegram sentiment. We're in the trenches. Trust me, we see it. But go ahead. I'll give you one sentence. Run it on a little bit, but that's it.
No, yeah, I appreciate that. And we are looking for a big sponsored space. We currently have a Kid and Walter partnership, and, you know, we'll be looking for the next stepping stone soon. So we'll definitely DM you. But no, Rentaro is the brother of Nero. So Nero just broke $1 billion. And yeah, basically we're following in our sister's footsteps and writing our own exciting chapter of the Doge legacy.
Perfect. I love it. And you know what? We do have to get Azumi up here also. The original name for Neuro is Azumi. So Azumi has to get on the stage on our sponsor. So we do have to rotate as well. But yeah, definitely DM us because I feel like we could brew something, a good little narrative of having, you know, Azumi and Rentaro together. I don't know if you know anything about Azumi.
Azumi's our boy. We love Azumi.
Yeah. With the shelters and shit they're building. And we're gonna get them on the stage so they can talk about that. But you know, maybe there's something brewing with the dogs. Get all the e-news together, hanging out. You know, maybe we have an e-news space next week or the week after. Just all e-news. That includes G-New, gas station boner pill e-new. That's still a dog with an e-new in the name. So, you know, that's another sponsor of ours. But yeah, maybe we can get an e-news space going. That would be kind of fucking funny, actually, now that I think about it. We'll talk in the back channels. Yeah, get us a DM going on that. But yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for keeping it short because we do want to give, you know, our sponsors that light and time. But appreciate it. Doris, 47. Bro.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
In the trenches.
In the trenches, man.
You guys don't even understand what Doris is going through. I know. He's a part of the 47 crew right now. And go ahead, Doris. Go ahead.
Guys, first of all, shout out to Zach, Pate, and Zach from Subway for hosting this platform.
it's been a great time just talking about memes, DGen plays, altcoins. We know this cycle is all about memes. People have no idea how it's going to be. And yeah, we are just getting started with the bull run. We are probably in a BTC bull run, just like Mar mentioned about it. But you still have to see the money rotate into altcoins and memes. And we have seen some crazy shit happen in the last few days. And yeah, we have seen a lot of positive impact on the chart with this sponsorship that we have with the Crypto Breakfast Club and Zach talking about 47. But some crazy things have been happening. And people think that Elon is the star man, but this time Elon is not the star man. It's fucking Donald Trump. Peanut didn't get all the hype because of Elon posting about it, but because people turned it into a political narrative like the anti-democrat thing. And yeah, I mean, I'm happy with people making money on all those animal tokens like Doge, Pepe, Peanut, but Politify is being ignored at the moment because Trump is really silent. Once he comes out, people will see what's going to happen with the Politify tokens like MAGA, Trump, 47. The reason I'm balls deep in 47 is because it's sitting at 1 million, and it's probably the easiest 10x of your life. We saw how Peanut just jumped up to $1 billion with Elon sending some tweets. And last night, Elon was on a tweeting spree. That reminds me of the same thing that was happening in 2020 and 2021 when Elon was tweeting about Doge. And it sent the Doge to 90 billion out of nowhere. And something crazy happened in the Telegram group last night in 47 that I was talking to Pate about. Yeah, man, this